Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by preparing the workspace and gaining safe access to the suspension. Once the car is on stands, remove the wheel and note the current ride height in mm or inches so you can replicate it. Make sure the vehicle is stable. This matters for your precision and safety. Then, loosen the top mount while the assembly is supported. This prevents spring preload from shifting unexpectedly. You're now ready to unbolt the lower mount and separate the strut from control arm to free the coilover. Once the old strut is out, you install the coilover by feeding it into place and finger tightening the top mount so it seats correctly. Next, adjust the lower perch to set ride height, measure to your baseline or desired drop, and lock the collar. This controls corner weight and spring rate engagement. Make sure spring preload is minimal unless instructed. Excessive preload changes ride quality. After aligning clearance for brake lines and sensors, torque all suspension fasteners to the manufacturer's spec to avoid loose components later. You finish by reinstalling the wheel, torquing lug nuts, and lowering the car. Then settle the suspension with a short drive to let springs and bushings find their working position. Once done, remeasure ride height and confirm corner balance. Make adjustments if one corner sits off by more than a few mm. If you hear clunks or notice binding, stop and recheck top mounts, lower perch lock rings, and hose clearance. A common fix is simply retorquing hardware and realigning the control arm. This solves most post-install issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.